is that Rahul Gandhi has been granted bail in the defamation case. We're also hearing that now the next hearing is going to be on May 3rd. So that's going to be a month away from now. Let's cut across to reaction.
कार्यवाही है जो इस पूरे मामले में स्टे की कार्यवाही है, ये सारी कार्यवाही चलती रहेगी। जो फिलहाल मामला है उसमें जब एप्लीकेशन फाइल की जाती है तो लोअर कोर्ट ने जो 30 तारीख तक की जमानत दी थी वो जमानत रद्द हो जाती है। अब ये 30 दिनों की जमानत रद्द हो गई और नई जमानत राहुल गांधी को मिल चुकी है, जो कानूनी प्रक्रिया के तहत रहता है। 13 अप्रैल तक की जो जमानत है वो मिल चुकी है, 13 अप्रैल तक ये रहेगा और उसके बाद जो है वो राहुल गांधी को आगे एक रेगुलर बेल के लिए प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन फिलहाल अभी भी मामले में हियरिंग चल रही है। जो कन्विक्शन है उस पे हमें जो खबर मिली है, अंदर से जो खबर आ रही है वो यही है कि कन्विक्शन पर 13 अप्रैल तक बेल ग्रांट हो चुकी है राहुल गांधी की।
So Gopi giving us those details right now. What we can confirm for you is that Rahul Gandhi's bail has been granted till April 13th. But as far as his application itself is concerned, the next date of hearing on that is going to be 3rd May. So on 13th April, Rahul Gandhi will have to again move court for bail, for an extension of the bail that he enjoys right now. So that's been extended essentially for the next 10 days. And a month from now is when the next date of hearing will happen. So let's just explain that to our viewers right now. The hearing in the Surat Sessions Court, where hearing is still underway, at least Gopi Manyar has confirmed that for us. But there are two updates you need to know. One, with regards to bail. So that relief has come Rahul Gandhi's way. He's not going to be going behind bars anytime now. He's been granted bail for the next 10 days. So he will be free for the next 10 days. April 13th, he will have to file a fresh bail application. But the next date of hearing of his case, of this application that he's filed, is going to be on 3rd May. We're going to be cutting across to our reporters live to get you a sense of what's really the outcome, what were the arguments really with regards to the stay on conviction and the suspension of the sentence. So those two issues in the application of Rahul Gandhi, what is the outcome? Has been any relief that's come his way? Because that technicality, that legality will really decide what happens to Rahul Gandhi's Lok Sabha membership. So we're going to wait for those updates. But at this point, what we can confirm for you is that the next date of hearing on Rahul's plea is on May 3rd. So immediately there's going to be no relief, at least on the front of the conviction stay. But with regards to, in fact, the bail, that remains. Rahul Gandhi's bail has been extended. He gets bail in the defamation case for the next 10 days, after which he will have to file a fresh application. Saurabh Akhtania is joining us live with more details on this. Saurabh, explain what's happened in court. Rahul Gandhi's bail has been granted till April 13th. He's been granted bail, after which there'll be a fresh bail application. But what's happened to his plea with regards to stay on conviction and suspension of sentence?
So, well, there are several technical issues right now, Lakshita, but let me tell you that Rahul Gandhi's appeal at the Surat Session Court has been accepted. The next date on this particular appeal will be on 13th April, and till that time there will be stay on conviction. That is what the lawyers are actually telling us, that the next hearing in this particular case, Akshita, will be now on 13th April. There was a confusion between 13th April and 3rd May, but right now what the advocates are clearly telling us, that Rahul Gandhi we will speak to some of the advocates and the Congress leaders present over here, but the bus is now ready over here, and what we have been told that Rahul Gandhi along with all the top leaders now will be leaving this particular sessions court. Some of the Congress leaders are actually already inside this particular bus.
Saurabh, just stay with me. I want to get a reaction right now from Mumtaz Patel, who is Ahmed Patel's daughter, Congress leader, joining us on this broadcast. Good afternoon, ma'am. What do you make of this development right now from the Surat Sessions Court? Bail granted to Rahul Gandhi right now. So interim relief, but clearly the case goes on right now for hearing.
Of course, the tactic is to delay it as much as possible, because what they ultimately wanted was this 2-year conviction so that he cannot be in Parliament. I mean, a relief, you can say in that sense, but definitely not.
Conviction essentially, which means the fight for your party is going to be a long one, essentially, to restore Rahul Gandhi's Lok Sabha membership.
fight for the party. This is a fight which Rahul ji is conducting for the country, I'd say. This is a fight for all of us.
What's your response
This is a wrong precedent that has been set. You know, if today everybody starts filing defamation like this, I think nobody will be left in Parliament. If the courts direct the same way as they have in this case.
No, but this is a legal proceeding, ma'am. Are you then questioning the courts again? Are you questioning the judiciary for the order that was given?
No, but do you think that this warranted a criminal defamation case? This could easily have been handled as a civil defamation case. I mean, there are a lot of other statements that have been made which are much worse. If everybody starts filing criminal defamation cases like this, what's going to happen? It set a very wrong precedent. And to give a maximum sentence like this, I mean, it could have been a fine, it could have been a 6-month sentence just to kind of, show, okay, fine, this is not approved. But to do this, definitely it doesn't seem correct.
But Mumtaz Patel, we can all have our opinions on what we believe is right and wrong. The judiciary, however, has given a verdict which must be respected.
No, of course you're respecting it, and that is why you're following it by an appeal which he was given 30 days time for.
Okay, Mumtaz Patel, thank you very much for joining us on this broadcast.